A third element of this original experience of man as reported in Genesis, as recounted in Genesis, this anthropology that we find there in the first book of the Bible, is the experience of original nakedness. So we've already analyzed original solitude, original unity. The third part of this is original nakedness. And this is based on Genesis 2:25, when it says, the man and wife were naked, but they did not know shame. There was no shame. So what does this mean? John Paul II says. So shame comes when there's a lack of love. So if this state, they did not know shame in their nakedness, it shows that they had the fullness of love, that they realized the truth and dignity of the human person, of their bodies, and that they loved one another. This is in the beginning. This is before the fall. This is before Genesis 3. This is still Genesis 2. So in this original nakedness, Adam and Eve can see each other, what John Paul II says, with all the peace of the interior gaze. So the interior gaze, they can see the inside, the soul, they can see the person, they can see as God sees. They see with the vision of God. So Genesis says that God saw all that he had created, that it was good, and that it was very good. So in this beginning, before the fall, Adam and Eve can participate in this vision of God, that they see the good. With all the peace of the interior gaze, they can see the other person and all of his dignity and all of her dignity. And this is the meaning of original nakedness.